प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ऑर्किडेसी फैमिली के बारे में, इसके इंट्रोडक्शन, सिस्टमेटिक पोजीशन, डायग्नोस्टिक कैरेक्टर्स एंड इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस। Okay, the family Orchidaceae is one of the largest families among the flowering plants. The name Orchidaceae originates from the Greek word orchis, which means testicles. The name was given because its type genus Orchis and others have the paired underground tubers that resembles testicles in shape. You can see this is the one of the Orchis member, and the tuber is the shape of testes. That is why the family name came in the existence Orchidaceae. Its distribution is cosmopolitan. It grows in all habitats, and more than 28,000 taxa are found in world, while India is represented by more than 1300 taxa. So, to learn about the family Orchidaceae, first we have know the flower morphology. Here you have see because the bilateral symmetry, because it belongs to monocotyledons, hence it has trimerous condition. 3 sepals outer, 3 sepals and 3 petals, and this is also petal, and one of the petal, this one, is modified and called labellum or lip. You see here these 3, that, this and this are sepals, and this one and modified labellum or lip is the second hole. So here you see the two plants, Vanda tessellata and Eulophia andamanensis. Here in the dissected photoplate you clearly see that the sepals and the petals are dissected, and the labellum part, which is attached with the column and ovary, is seen here. This is the column with ovary and the labellum. In that part you see, that part is a column. Okay. That part is a column, and the apex of that column has the anther cap. Inside that anther, when you remove the anther cap, and you find 2 yellowish color and different colors pollinarium here, and here is the here is the viscid structure, that is a stigma. Same in this case, Eulophia andamanensis. Now the systematic position of the family. The Orchidaceae family belongs to plant kingdom, division phanerogames, class monocotyledons, series Microspermi, order Orchidales, family Orchidaceae, genus Orchis, species Muscula. And this is the type genus Orchis, or type species of this genus is Orchis muscula. Now the diagnostic character. The members of the family has the various type of habit. It can be a epiphytic, it can be a lithophytic or terrestrial, or it can be parasitic without leaf. You see here there is a no leaf devoid of chlorophyll. Next diagnostic character is the presence of pseudobulbs and velamen in many epiphytic orchids. Remember students, velamen is present only the epiphytic orchids. Epiphytic orchids are those orchids which are grows on the tree branches or the tree trunk of. And you see here these are the velamen roots. Velamen roots are multicellular soft tissues which absorb the water moisture from the environment. And you see here that bulbous organ, that organ is pseudobulbs. Now leaves usually simple, fleshy and coriaceous with parallel venation and absent in parasitic orchids. In some genus like Leucia, it is cylindrical. You see the variety of leaves, this shape and the texture of the leaves, shape and the texture of leaves, and the venation, you see the leathery look and this type leaves and this also. And this is the member of genus Leucia, this one. And you see here these are the leaves, and the leaves are cylindrical like stem. Now the flowers. It is the most important diagnostic feature of the family Orchidaceae. The flowers you see very attractive, very showy, bisexual and zygomorphic. Zygomorphic in bilateral symmetry. Why bilateral? If you cut, you see there is a one imaginary line. If you cut this flower in this axis, and then it will be divided into the two equal halves. That is why the flowers has bilateral symmetry. And one of the petal I already discussed with you, and one of the petal is modified into a labellum. And another character is resupination. What is resupination? Resupination is this is the ovary part. You see some twisting nature of the ovary. The ovary is twisted to 180 degree. So the labellum comes downward. So that type of feature is only found in the family Orchidaceae or members of the Orchidaceae. That feature is called resupination, twisting of the ovary by 180 degree. Trimerous condition, 3 sepals, lateral sepals, dorsal sepal, and these are the petals and the labellum. Now the androecium. Androecium is also one of the most important diagnostic character among the orchids. Actually, stamens and the pistil is fused together and form a column or gynoestemium. Okay, you see, if you see this structure, this is the column or gynoestemium, and here is the anther cap or pollinarium. This part has the viscid nature of stigma. If you remove that anther cap, and here also you can clearly see that part is column or gynoestemium, that is anther cap, and that is stigmatic cavity, and that is rostellum. Okay, when you remove that anther cap, you found a pollen mass which is arranged in a pollinia. Okay, so there are various shape of the pollinia in the orchid's member, or it may be with stipe, with basidium, or without stipe, without basidium, caudicle. It may be in 2, 4, 6 or 8 numbers. Now fruits and seeds. So the fruits of the family is capsules, and that capsules contains many numerous minute non-endospermic seeds. You see the various shapes of a non-endospermic seeds of the family Orchidaceae. Now the economic importance. So as you know that the flowers are very showy, very attractive, beautiful. So the family has very important character, that is ornamental plants, and it is used in floriculture industry, indoor decoration, cut flowers, landscaping. It is so some important ornamental genera are Phalaenopsis, Cattleya, Dendrobium and Vanda. फ्लेवरिंग एंड फूड इंडस्ट्री, सब लोग जानते हैं, सब लोग ये आइसक्रीम खाते हैं वेनिला फ्लेवर. ये वेनिला फ्लेवर जो वेनिला एसेंस है वो कहाँ से आता है? एक ऑर्किड से आता है. सो नेम ऑफ द ऑर्किड इज वेनिला plenifolia. The essence is, or the essential oil is extracted from the capsule. These are the capsule. Okay. So, and that capsule produce the essential which is used in the ice creams, perfumes, chocolates and beverages. It is the most expensive natural flavoring agents in the world. Some medicinal uses. They are used in traditional medicine system like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. So some members of the Dendrobium, Havenaria, orchids used in a medicine. Like Dendrobium is used as a tonic or immune booster. Havenaria members used in rejuvenating formulations. Orchids is the source of salep. It is a nutritive drink. Orchids also have some medicinal properties such as anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and aphrodisiac effects. In Ashtavarga, key orchids species are used in Ashtavarga, like Crepidium acuminatum as a jibak. The local name is jibak and it enhances vitality. Malaxis muscifera, the vernacular name or the local name is Rishwak. It possesses therapeutic benefits in nervous and sexual disorders. Now, Havenaria intermedia. It is also known as Riddhi as a local name and it possesses strengthening properties. Fourth one is Havenaria asworthi, locally called Bridhi, and it is used in rejuvenating tonics. The orchids are also indicator species of ecosystem health, hence it is used as ecological and conservation value. Thank you students for watching.